This is the perfect gift for your inner rock star to come out. My kids are having an absolute blast with these microphones and this little machine. Let me show you some of our favorite things. This was gifted to us and my kids are so excited. It is a little karaoke sound system. It took seconds to put together with my Bluetooth. I did turn it off. We're just having way too much fun with it, but it does come with 2 microphones, which is great. Okay, so on the microphone, you have your on-off switch, you have your volume, and then down here, it does do different sound effects. So it can go higher, lower, robotic. There's like 8 different ones you can choose from. The best part is this is handheld. So if you're singing a song, if you're talking, you can be right next to it or you can be in a different room. But the power on this is unbelievable. It takes seconds to set up with your Bluetooth. So if you want to sing with a song, you can do that very easily. So here we're just gonna turn it on and off. You also have your